My name is Gary Alberti, and this is the Arizona Red Brick Railroad. Basically, I got started, this is my fourth year. The first year, I had just MTH engines that I was running. And now that into the fourth year, although I don't have them showing here, I'm converting 3 steam powered to battery. So I hope to have that running. I've added the river 2 years ago with the pond, and on the south end is the pond with the Disney figures that I had to buy because my wife said so. And the other river at the north end is one that I put in just about a year and a half ago to add some features to the railroad. Just recently, as of last night, I finished the upper level, which I'm going to be running battery-powered trains. I have 3 steam engines I'm having converted. Basically, adding some newer features, especially for nights, is I've added 4 lanterns that I bought from a company that has cricket sounds and frog sounds, and then they have the lights that flicker. I had a pine tree that I decided to cut down because it was too much maintenance and cleaning track, and so I made a little table for the top of it, so that's now my sitting area for watching trains. After I did the waterfall, built my wife a wishing well, which lights up at night and has a little fountain inside of it. I've also had my lanterns that I made myself. They're just regular Kmart or Walmart lanterns that I put a car tail light in because it's 12 volt. I can run it on my 12 volt system. The other things I've done is just added in my storage area where I store all the trains, shelves and stuff to store the majority of my stuff. I'm trying to add more buildings and stuff for the future and some more water features that I'll be doing next year.